Hola,
Hola, buenos días.
No, buenos tardes.
Buenas tardes.
So it's our day 3 here in Bogota, and last night we went to a theatron. It was my first time out there. Kyle's been a couple of times. We stayed out pretty late, but it was a really cool concept with 13 bars, and it's the largest gay bar in Latin America. And yeah, we stayed out really late. So however, we got up and we are actually doing a walk around. Initially, we were supposed to go biking around, but it was downpouring because right down in the streets here, they shut down all the streets and then cyclists can bike around. But today we booked a tour guide with us. And his name is
How you
Felipe.
doing?
Yeah. So Felipe, tell people what you do here in Bogota as a tour guide.
So I'm a private tour guide, so that's why I like to play by ear. Today we had the plan to do a biking tour, but Bogota, the weather of Bogota is very crazy, it's bipolar. So that's why you have to play by ear, and I'm flexible, and now we are doing a walking tour. And we started to the business center of Bogota. So let's start the adventure.
So we're gonna start here in the museum. So we'll put Felipe's information down below so that if you ever visit Bogota, definitely book with him because he will show you around and just give you a history of Bogota, which is what we like doing. We're not at that stage now of just partying all the time. We want to actually go and check out a city and check out the history. So we look forward to hanging out with Felipe today.
Okay, come on, let's go.
All right. dias. So we spent how many days? I've been
4
here
nights.
4 nights.
3 days.
Yeah, I've been here since Thursday. Kyle arrived Friday, but we are actually leaving now, heading to Cartagena. So yeah, we just wanted to give our sort of take on our visit here with Bogota. For my first impression here is I was really impressed with how active people are here, how well their bike system and their public transportation system is here. Because when you are, in your Uber or taxi or walking around, you'll see a lot of people who are on their bikes or walking around. And for us, it feels like it's home because in Vancouver, that's how a lot of Vancouverites are. So it was nice to do that. And then Kyle, what else did you find with Bogota that?
I felt the people were very friendly, very easy to talk to, very helpful. There's a lot of pointing on maps, but they were very helpful in showing you where to go. This time around, my Spanish is better, so it was a little easier. I do find not a lot of them speak English. Be prepared for many seasons in a day.
Yeah.
Every single time I've been here, it could be raining in the morning, sunny in the afternoon, then raining in the evening again. So bring layers.
Yeah, because
an umbrella.
Yeah, yesterday we were going to be doing the bike tour, but we actually had to cancel that because there was torrential rain coming down, and we thought it was going to actually last pretty much all day because that's what the forecast said.
Yeah.
But it actually not cleared up, but it stopped. So
And it got sunny.
yeah, and it sucked because we really wanted to bike around, so we just ended up doing the walking tour as you guys saw in the video before this. And the other thing too was speaking about the language as well. With us being in Mexico quite often, the Spanish here is just a bit different with certain words and how they say things. So it was a bit of a struggle for us to understand what they were saying. The other thing too that it's been a struggle for me here is the elevation, the altitude sickness. So I don't know what's going on with me, but I mean, we're fine in Cusco, which is a lot higher. It's about 3,200 feet, or 3,200 meters. Here it's about 2,600 meters. But I think in Cusco we were drinking a lot of the cocoa tea. That was in hotels a lot. So if you are coming here, just be prepared for the potential altitude sickness and maybe tack on an extra 2 or 3 days onto your trip to get climatized to the altitude. And if you're okay with taking medications, ask your doctor for medications to help with altitude sickness, because I had some from previously, so we were using that. It did kind of help, but my symptoms were just more headache, lethargic, not very low energy. Kyle bounced back right away after.
Yeah, once I took the pill, I was fine.
Yeah.
But I did notice after a day of touring, I was.
yeah. The shortness of breath is still with us. So we can't wait to get down to a lower, more close to the sea level.
Well, we're gonna be at sea level.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
Yeah. But overall, it's a great city. I wish we would have had maybe another 1 or 2 days to check it out. And I wish I would have had the energy to actually check things out, because that played a big part of being able to walk around and check things out. But I think we did what we could with the days that we're here and are dealing with the altitude. So yeah, I would say definitely check out Bogota. It's a really cool city.
Recommended.
It's the history too is really cool too. That being able to walk around yesterday and seeing that. So yeah, follow us to Cartagena. But yeah, okay.
See you guys in Cartagena.
Okay, bye, adios.